Hey guys, welcome back. I am Nisi and I'm doing a follow-up video on those clip-ins that I made. I've just put them in now, so if you want to see how I do that, then keep watching. First of all, I just want to talk about the products that I used for the twist out that you'll see me unraveling. I used the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Enhancing Smoothie. I have pretty much run out of this stuff now, but it is some of the best. It smells so nice. It really is the best thing for twist outs. I absolutely love this. When I started using it, I was very skeptical because my hair doesn't react well to coconut oil, but for some reason, maybe there just isn't enough coconut oil to make such a big difference in here. I'm not sure, but yeah, my hair loves this, and the twist outs that I get from it are so defined and so beautiful. So I absolutely love this stuff, and I probably will buy another tin if it's on offer or something, because this stuff is not cheap, it's expensive. And to seal in the curl enhancing smoothie, I used the Manetain Organics Mango and Mafura curling butter. Now I got this from Leanne, who owns Manetain Organics, and she's so lovely, but this is a Zimbabwean brand, so I will put in her details, the Instagram details and the Twitter details in the description box. This stuff is amazing. It smells so good. I don't know what that smell is, but it's something so unique. I will have to do a separate review for this. Without delaying too much, I'm gonna get into the tutorial of how I put my clip-ins in. I'm starting with my hair in twists. I did these last night, and I did them in such a way that wherever there's a parting, it's going to allow me to clip some hair. So I have my pieces of hair here. I have the two medium-sized clip-ins, which have a clip on each end. I also have the long piece with a clip on each end and one clip in the middle. And then I have 6 individual smaller 1-inch pieces with one clip. So I decided that I wanted a much fuller look for my hair, so I added one extra medium piece and another long piece. So it's a little bit more hair, but all in all, I think it comes up to about 1.5 packs. So if you want to do your whole head and your hair is quite short or quite thin, you might want to do 2 packs. So I'm just twisting my hair out and kind of separating my twists a little bit, not too much, but just a bit. The whole point of doing a twist out is so that the hair blends a little bit better with the texture of the clip-ins. Starting with this medium piece, I'm gonna put this at the back. One on each side. I'm going to speed through the back, and then I'll show you exactly how I'm attaching the hair to the clips. See how that kind of blends really nicely? So this is my natural hair, and then these are the clip-ins down here. Okay, this is the second medium piece that I'm putting at the back. I'm just gonna fluff it out a bit more so I can have a bit more volume. With this one, it's still quite, the hair's still quite clumped together. The twists are really defined on this one. This is the first of the bigger pieces. So before I put the big piece in, I'm gonna just put this smaller piece on the side here, just to fill up some space. So I'm just stretching it so that it matches the length of this hair, because my natural hair, I don't know why it looks so much longer today. It's so weird. So I don't like to put the clips straight on my scalp. So what I like to do is I put a finger underneath my hair like this, so like that, and then I take the comb and leave a gap between my scalp and where I put the clip, because I want to attach the clip to my hair, not necessarily right at the bottom on my roots. So taking another one of those small clips just to keep everything even, I'm putting my finger underneath the hair like that, and then I'm putting the clip a little bit of a distance off my scalp, so it's actually clipped to the hair and not my scalp, because my scalp is really irritable. I can't put hair clips and grips and things like that straight on my scalp. My scalp gets really irritated very easily. This is an ear-to-ear piece. Start on this end, put my finger underneath, moving on to my next ear-to-ear piece. That is such a nicely defined twist out. I'm gonna start from the middle this time because there's just so much going on in the middle now. Again, using my finger to space that hair from the clip, and there you go. Oh my god, look at this twist out. Look at this. So pretty. So I'm gonna do a half piece, like one of those back pieces. I'm gonna put here. So you can really mix and match where you put these pieces. It doesn't really have to follow the pattern that I said, but that's just like a general guide. You can always fill in the gaps with additional sizes that you want. You can definitely trim off all these dangly ends, but the reason I'm not doing it is because I really don't know what's my real hair at this point. So I don't want to end up trimming my own hair and making things uneven. So I'm just kind of just fluffing it in there and just, you know, doing that. So that's it. It's pretty simple. Putting them on is really simple. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I think I will do the next one on how I actually take care of my natural hair while my hair is in these clip-ins, and also what I'm doing to recover my edges. So, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.